What's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online passively with pizza, and most importantly, without cooking a thing. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Click like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Also, all the resources mentioned in this video will be down below in the description area. So enjoy. Okay, so here I am inside of my Easy Pub Profits July 2021 edition. Okay, every month Easy Pub Profits comes out with a complete guide of hot, low competition Amazon KDP mid content and low content book niche targets, excuse me. Also, it comes out with done for you templates, done for you interiors that you can actually sell on the Amazon KDP network. Today's spotlight is a good one here. It's a pizza coloring book for kids. Okay, so this is the result count, how many results come up for this keyword. It's around 800. Exact match, meaning people are searching for this exact phrase, pizza coloring book for kids. The answer is yes. Top BSR or bestsellers rank for KDP is around 124,000. That's not bad at all. And search volume is pretty high. It's up in the 3,000 search value per month, which is pretty good. Okay. Now, if I take this keyword, pizza coloring book for kids, and I put it in the Amazon, okay, as is within the books category, you can see that it has a results count of just 864 results, which means it's definitely low competition. And if I look at the top 3 or 4 books for this keyword, we have pizza coloring and drawing book. Okay, this sticker book is not part of this niche, but I'm just letting you know this is a sticker book. The next one is a coloring book, perfectly matching our keyword phrase, pizza coloring book for kids. And this one here, pizza coloring book for kids, another one here. And you can see there are some results here. If we look at the first one here, we can easily see that it's for toddlers and kids. It has just 29 pages, okay? It's selling already because it has a bestsellers rank of 1,058,580, okay, which is really interesting. And it's again, it's a very low content book, only 29 pages, okay? 29 pages for this particular niche. We look at another example here. Again, it has no reviews, but it already has a BSR, okay? It has a BSR, means that people are already buying this book, and it was published not too long ago, July 13th, 2021. Today is July 26th. This was published just a couple of weeks ago, and just a week ago, and it's already making money online, as you can see right here. It has about 100 pages, okay? We look inside. Oh, look at this. It doesn't have the look inside tab. That's crazy. The fact that this book was published a little bit over a week ago, doesn't have a look inside tab, and people are already buying it, as you can see here. It has a BSR, okay, which is really cool. Good information for us. That means you or anybody else can pop in here, create your own book, which I'm going to show you how, give you some pointers on what to do. You can actually create your own book and publish it right here, okay? Let's check out this one here. It has a look inside tab. And we scroll down, very simple, nothing complicated. This is all probably public domain images that he or she used to create his or her book. Okay, we can see here this was also published recently, March 17th, not too long ago, and it's already making sales. Okay, look at that. It has a BSR. It has just over 60 pages. Not too difficult to do, and again by an independent publisher like you and I. Really, really good stuff. Nothing too difficult to get into, nothing too difficult to create. I'll give you some pointers in this video. If you want some public domain, free to use images for your coloring book, one of the cool places to go is Pixabay. Okay, actually I'm going to use this image for a actual cover that I'm going to create right in front of you. Okay, we're going to get back to that in a little bit. But if we go back here, and just put in pizza. You see all these images of pizza, right? We want black and white ones. First thing you want to do is make sure it's illustration, okay? Second thing you want to do is go to color, put in black and white, and click go. And you have more images about pizza, okay? Or you can always go to Fiverr and get someone to draw these images for you for very cheap on Fiverr, fiverr.com. Again, really easy stuff, okay? You don't have to draw the actual pizza coloring book yourself, okay? One important aspect about this is the cover, okay? You want a cover that that pops out, lets people know what your coloring book's about. I'm going to show you right quick the simple elements you need. You need a title in the bottom here. You need to have some information in the back of your book, okay? Of the back cover of your book, okay? So usually when it comes to a coloring book, my coloring books are around 8.5 by 11 inches each page. That means my cover, which, you know, takes care of my front and back, it's about, let me show you right here, 17.84 inch by 11.25 inch, okay? So let's fill this out. First thing I want to do is use the image I got off of Pixabay. First thing I'm going to do is cut it up. I'm going to use this little tool called the crop tool. I want to get rid of this shadow in the bottom, okay, like that. Oh, by the way, I'm using GIMP. GIMP is a free piece of software. It's like photo editor, but open source for free. Okay. Second thing you want to do is go to layers, go to where are you? Transparency. Okay, it's already at the add alpha channel. You want to click add alpha channel. After you do that, what I'm trying to do here is get rid of the white background, right? I'm going to click this fuzzy select tool. Click inside the space you want to get rid of, like that. Click delete, done, okay? Now what I want to do is actually, I want to crop this just a little bit more if I'm allowed to. Yeah, I can crop it. Crop it just a little bit more. Too much space there, boom, done. Now what I'm going to do is click File, Export As, Pizza Guy. Pizza Guy. .png, really important. You want to make sure it's a .png export. Okay, I'm done with that. What I want to do now is pretty up my cover. Go to uploads. What I want to do is go to my file here. Go to the image here. This is the image I just removed the background for. Okay, I'm going to use that image, and I'm going to actually dump that image, click on it, and put it into my cover right here and center it. Okay, now remember our keyword is pizza coloring book, so I want to put here for kids, and here I'm going to put pizza coloring book. Okay, now this is a little bit too big. I'm gonna actually increase the size of for kids, like that. By the way, make sure your font is a public domain or open source font. I'm using Allegria, I believe it's called. I believe it's a Google font. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, by the way. And I'm gonna add my pizza coloring book text towards the top here. You know, I'm just giving you a nice little frame of reference on what you should be creating. Maybe I should color this red because it is pizza. People think of red and, you know, tomato sauce, and people think of hit the red button. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me go back. Let me change that to effects. Let me change that to red. Perfect. Pizza coloring book for kids. And what I want to write here is you want to appeal to your audience's emotions. Make sure you're thinking about the parents of the kids, right? Have your kids color in their favorite food with this pizza coloring book. Have them spend quality time. What did I say? Quality time engaging their creativity. Okay, boom. Actually, I don't know why it's in. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna put in some features at the bottom here. Book features in the numbers. Okay, this coloring book. This coloring book has over, I don't know, 46 different pizza illustrations for hours of coloring fun. Boom, like that. And ideally, well, this is also an index. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, cool. And ideally, you're gonna want to put some images in here. So I'm gonna just give you an example. Okay. By the way, I don't recommend you use the images within Canva. Okay, even though some of them are free, I don't recommend it because, well, you might get in trouble. So I don't do it, and I'm not gonna have you do something that I don't do myself. Okay. So you're gonna want to have 2 black and white images here. Let's go to I don't know why I have Fiverr still up. Let's go to Pixabay. Let's get this image here. Download this. Okay, I'm not a robot. Download that. Cool. And let's download one more. Let's download this one here. Perfect. Download this. Now, guys, make sure you put out quality stuff. Don't be afraid to hire someone to create your coloring books. You can use Fiverr like I showed you earlier in this video. Whatever the case is, make sure you put out good stuff that people can actually enjoy. Okay, don't flood the market with crap that people might get tricked into buying, but at the end of the day, they're going to leave you with a bad review. People can leave reviews. Really important, guys. You don't want to create things that they're not going to like. Really important to remember. Okay, let's take this pizza, shrink it down. Let's increase the size. Here's another one. Boom. Okay, like that. Okay, now you got a covering book. Okay, very self-explanatory. You got a big old pizza here, slice of pizza with thumbs up. Pizza coloring book for kids, right? Very easy to understand. Actually, let's make this green inside here. Where are you, green? There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay, very beautiful. We got our covering book. I'm hoping you create a good interior. Now you have the keyword to go after. Again, if you want more information about the Easy Pub Profits monthly tutorial method and templates, check the information down below. If you want information on how to create your covers, more detailed information, check the information down below. I'll have all these tools and resources down below. This is a legit way to earn online. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Be good, take care, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.